Most retail traders don't really know how to trade in the cryptocurrency market, and that's not their fault, it's simply a fact. The crypto market is unlike any other, too volatile, too unpredictable, and too fast. And anyone who jumps in without a solid strategy, without a tested methodology, and without a professional platform ends up making the same mistake over and over again. They keep trading until they completely burn their account. So what's the smartest, simplest, and most effective way to approach the crypto market? It's swing trading. Swing trading is a clear, rational, and structured approach. It lets you breathe and analyze the market, and calmly decide when to enter and when to exit, without being crushed by minute-to-minute volatility. And to do it properly, you need a platform that works like you do, professionally. You need Altrady. But before we talk about strategies, let's start with the basics. In the crypto world, there are two kinds of projects. The first type, legitimate projects. They have a real use case, solid technology, and concrete vision. Bitcoin is the best example. But you also have Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, projects that have a reason to exist and a structure that makes them sustainable over time. And then there are the others. Projects with no real value. Meme coins. Cute ideas built purely for speculation. And that's fine, of course, as long as you know you're speculating. With Altrady's quick scan tool, for example, you can identify most volatile market moves in real time and turn them to your advantage, transforming volatility into opportunity. Now let's look at some charts together. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Here's Bitcoin USDT. Here's Ethereum USDT. What do you notice? Right, every time the price shoots up, it crashes just as hard. Cryptos behave like penny stocks, fast, aggressive, and often irrational. And the real mistake traders make? It's not entering too late. It's not exiting in time. They ride the rally thinking it'll go higher, and then boom, the crash hits. That's when you realize the hardest part isn't clicking buy. The hardest part is clicking sell. A real trader is defined by their exits, not by their entries. So what's the right strategy then? It's waiting for the price to reach a key demand zone to see consolidation, increasing volume, tightening volatility, and only then entering, with clear logic. Then you scale gradually. You enter in steps, manage your risk, pyramid your profits as the trend develops. And when the price turns parabolic, you don't get greedy, you exit. Because every trend sooner or later ends. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Scale in, scale out, and let the data, not emotions, guide your decisions. With Altrady, that's possible. You'll have tools like Smart Trading, Quick Scan, and Position Tracker, which allows you to analyze the market in real time, identify price patterns and anomalies, manage multiple positions across different exchanges simultaneously, and optimize every trade with total risk control. Let's look at a real example. Suppose you enter Bitcoin from a key support area. The price starts to rise. When it reaches a first target level, you take partial profits. Then it keeps climbing. You sell another portion. When the moves becomes excessive, parabolic, you reduce risk and close positions. Then, during the correction, you re-enter gradually. A small portion, then another, until you rebuild your position. And as the price moves up again, you sell in steps. And with Altrady, you can automate all of this with just a few clicks. You can even backtest your strategies to see if they actually work or if they're just fooling you. Remember, even Bitcoin, the strongest project of all, follows market cycles. It rises, falls, consolidates, and then rises again. Your goal isn't to predict the market, it's to manage it intelligently. And if you like speculative altcoins, Altrady gives you a unique combination. Quick scan plus smart money indicator. So you can identify in advance where liquidity is moving, because whoever gets there first catches the best move. Subscribe to Altrady. Leave a like if you want more educational and strategic videos. And remember, in trading, those who are prepared gain time, money, and peace of mind. Those who improvise pay the highest price.